Hi, today we're in front of Golden Wok. This place has special meaning to me. 30 years ago, my wedding reception was held here. Come on. And today we're gonna go in and have family dim sum. My parents are coming. They're a little bit slower. Gung and Vin are driving them here, and Huang and John are meeting us here as well. So I'm excited to show everyone dim sum and how to get together and have dim sum with your family. What are the key options?
Jasmine milk for 703, sorry,
30 years ago, there was no dim sum in San Antonio. So my sisters, every time they come to visit us, whether in Dallas or Houston, we would go eat dim sum. And that's kind of how it became a family thing. This doesn't seem strange to you, being surrounded by Asian and shareable plate versus the big Texas platter plate?
No, it actually feels pretty good.
Oh, good. There you go.
I like the food. I like the shrimp shumai and the noodles that they have here. And the spare ribs are also pretty good.
It's a great family experience.
Yeah. For me, I like the shareable plate. What about spending time with family and Ba Ngoai, and in particular, me and Ross?
I guess it's cool. I mainly came here for the food.
Ba Ngoai is going into the Tesla.
It's driving all by itself.
Going through Windcrest at 20 miles an hour. Ross is not even driving.